Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Random7 and I'm going to start off this video which is supposed to be a continuation or actually a video that was incomplete in the first time. I showed you how to adjust the brake lever. So what I told you then in that video, I'll link it somewhere here I guess. I only told you how to adjust this particular screw which will make your brake lever come up. What I didn't tell you is the remaining part which is here. So if you can see, there's a nut here and you can simply loosen it with a 10 mm spanner. Once it's loose, hang on, there you go. Once it's loose, there's this nut that you can actually rotate with your bare hands, and that kind of increases or decreases. For example, when you did this, it increases the play in the brake lever, as you can see. So what I didn't tell you in that video was to adjust this particular screw so that you actually reduce the amount of play that is there, thereby making sure that you don't have too much play and the brake engages as soon as you press it. So yeah, hang on, let me adjust that. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so every time you loosen it, you need to check how much play is still there. There you go, no more play whatsoever. So please make sure that if you're adjusting, yeah, there we go, I like that, I like no play at all. So yeah, if you're adjusting the brake lever, ensure that you're adjusting this particular nut as well here. Just loosen it with the 10 mm spanner and you should be able to move the screw that's inside and change the play in the brake pedal. So earlier what you did was just loosen this, which would have only increased the play, but now this reduces the play as well. And on the other side, let me show you the gear lever as well. Hang on. And on this side, to increase the, what you can do is you can loosen these two. Yep, one. Hang on. I'm trying to do this single-handedly. Two. So once you loosen this and this nut, you can actually adjust. You can see as soon as I rotate, there, it's going down. Now if I do this, it's going up. So ideally in an off-road environment, I think you need an 8 mm spanner, but in most cases you should be able to do it with the hand. Hang on. Okay, hang on, let me just get an 8 mm spanner and start from there again. Okay, so I have the 8 mm spanner, which is this one. So you can adjust. There you go. I don't know if you can see, but as soon as I rotate this particular nut, tighten it actually, the brake lever goes up. There you go. And you might want to do this if you are using off-road riding, motocross boots mostly, and it's a little difficult to use the brake gear lever when using motocross boots, so you might want to adjust this. And also the play is very less now. There we go. So yeah, 8 mm spanner to adjust this center nut and 10 mm to loosen the two screws which are around it. It's pretty high now. It should be in line with the footrest here, and it should be fairly easy to shift now with the MX boots. So yeah guys, these are the two changes that I thought I didn't show properly in my previous videos. That's why it was tighter. I think that's the max. Let me see. Yeah, I believe that's the max that it will go to. I don't think it's going anywhere. Yeah, anyway, so what I was saying was these are the two changes that I didn't show properly, and you should probably be doing these two changes when heading off-road. And yeah, do remember to tighten it with the 10 mm spanner again once you're done. There you go. And there we go. Should do. So now once you're riding with MX boots, you should have a lot more clearance, and you should be able to put your foot below the gear lever and shift far more easily than you would have been able to without doing this particular change. So that's it guys, quick short video. It's actually a correction of what I had done earlier about how to change the brake lever, but this should also be done in conjunction with that particular video. So anyway, take care guys. If you do like the content that I've been making, please consider subscribing. That will help me a lot. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.